I'm taking from comment, guys. Like suppose if I created the backend, then how we can test that API in our Postman, so that we will see, guys. Okay, so API testing also we will see, and even if you're facing any error while testing the API, so how to solve that, that also we will see, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, I am right now I'm in Postman. Okay, so if you don't know about Postman, then already I have done video, guys. For that you can watch in my channel. Okay, just go in Google and just type there, guys, Postman download. Then you can download that Postman in Windows, and after that just log in with your email ID, guys. Because if you log in with email ID in Postman, then what you can do, guys, whatever the collection we do, that API collection, that will be saved in our email ID. Okay, so just do that. You can see, guys, here is my backend which I have created in Laravel, guys. This is my login API. Okay, but we will see sign up API also, and later we'll see login API also, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, if I go above, just here only you can see, guys, here is my sign up API. Okay, so you can see first I have done the validation. First I've done the validation. If anything is wrong in validation, then that time what we're doing is we will give the error. Okay, that is a validation error. You can see for email, means whatever the required is, name is required, email is required, password is required. Okay, then later if my validation is correct, we will create the user, and if it is wrong, it will give an error. You can see, guys, that will be the error. Okay, then as I told you, is everything is correct, it will create a user. And when we create a user, that time we will get the response which is in JSON format, guys, and there will be like output will be user created successfully, like that, guys. Okay, so this is the sign up API. So we will test the sign up API, guys, in our Postman. How to test that, I'll show, guys. Okay, and one more thing is you need to turn on the XAMPP also. Okay, for this. And one more thing you can see, guys, here I have commented some parts. So that is, guys, regarding Swagger Open API. So that video is also coming soon, guys, because that will be the very easiest way, guys, where you will get the ready-made documents also. Not ready-made I can say, but it will generate document also for your APIs. Okay, and even it will give the output also, so which is very good, guys. So that is a video coming soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Okay, and this now we'll test the sign up API, guys. So for that I have to go in Postman, guys. Okay, so what you do, just first download that, then come in Postman, guys. Okay, so here I'm showing login API also, guys. So here also same, guys, whatever the required things are there, then validation is there, then we are doing the login with email or existing email, and whatever the email we have provided, we are checking with auth, guys. Okay, if everything is correct, then we are generating token also. For that you can see, guys, here we are generating token as well. Okay, and the output will be like user logged in successful, like that. The output will be means what I can say, JSON response we will get, guys, and if anything is wrong, it will give an error, same. Okay, so this is the login API. So what we will do, guys, we'll go in Postman and we'll test the API now. So you can see, guys, already one URL is there which I was testing, so it is there, guys. Okay, so we'll test the sign up API. So you can see here Sanctum API, like that connection I have, sorry, collection I have done, guys. In that my sign up API is there. So you can create, guys, this collection by right clicking, and here you can, guys, a new request will come, then just do right click, just change the name, it will create a sign up API. Okay, so you can see, guys, here is my URL, and that URL I'm taking from my backend. You can see, guys, here is my login API. Okay, but before that what we need to do, guys, we need to start the server, right? So I'm starting here my local server, guys. You can see, so it is running now. So sometime what will happen is it will take some time. Okay, and whatever the port is in 8000, that will come when we run the when we run our program, guys. So it is taking some time. You can see, guys, something is running now. Okay, you can see, guys, here is my root, and that 2700 is nothing but localhost, guys, and that is the 8000 nothing but port. So you can see I have taken here localhost, and the 8000 is nothing but my port which I have taken here. Okay, and the next is what, that is my path, guys, which is there in my root. So here if I go no, just go in roots, guys, there web.php. Oh, I think it is an api.php. So you can see, guys, here it is an api.php. Here is my API path, I can say, that is sign up, and auth is auth controller, and the sign up is nothing but my function guys. Okay, so you can see here is in my auth controller, here is my sign up. So it will call that, when I call that path, it will come in auth controller, it will check the sign up function. Okay, so which is this, then later it will perform the execution guys. So auth controller and sign up will be there, you can see that I'm showing you. Okay, so this is the route guys for my API. So this route only we will use in our Postman. Okay, and it is in API, so we are going to use there whatever the path first, then API, and then the function name, that is sign up, or the path I can say guys. Okay, so what we will do guys now, whatever the email, whatever the content is there, that we will delete first. Okay, so I'm deleting that guys here, and we'll check what things are there in my controller. So we'll go in auth controller now. So you can see guys here there is name, email, and password is there, so that things only we need to include in our Postman. So, and the name should be same, email should be same, password should be same. So here I'm taking as name, then it will be email and password. Okay, so the name I'll enter as like Infisky, and the password will, sorry, email will be infisky.belgum dot at gmail.com. Okay, and password will take as 128. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I have not started guys, so once again I'll 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this I have entered everything is, and we need to start XAMPP also, which is local server. So just start the XAMPP, then just send. So if it is correct, it will give response 200, otherwise it will give errors. So we'll check guys whether it is correct or not. So it is running, it is taking some time. Okay, you can see guys it is running, and we got the 200 okay response, and user created successfully. You can see guys here is my user created successfully, and the response is 200. So my API is correct. So whatever the API test we have done, which is correct, you can consider it is correct guys. Okay, so you can see guys everything we are getting, and dollar is nothing but user data we are getting guys. Whatever the user data is now, whatever we are sending in JSON response, that we are getting here. So here is the correct response we got. So our API testing is successful guys. So like this, if you are testing any API now, you need to test like this only guys. Just enter the path, whatever the API is there, just take that path, enter, and the details required, and then make it send guys. So your API will get work. You can see now it is working. Okay, if I now I have changed guys, I have given some space. Now you can see guys, if anything error is there, that also it will show that is phone or phone not phone, because of that space, you can see guys. Okay, so we got that error. And suppose if you change here in name also, because the name is in Postman, that is different. Here if I make suppose 1 2 3, if I take here, then you will see guys what will be the response. You can see I have taken 1 2 3. Now I'll do the send. You can see guys now I got that is 401 unauthorized error, and it is telling email already exists, email also already exists, and even my name is wrong there. Okay, so we got error guys. Okay, so whatever the name we are taking in Postman and this name, it should be same guys. So because it will fetch data from here only guys, whatever the name email is there now, from that only here it will fetch, and it will give to this name guys to create a user. Okay, so it should be same. So this is the thing guys. So like this, what you can do guys, you can create a backend and you can test the API. And guys, whatever the testing I have done, this is same for all guys, that is Node.js. If you are doing creating API in Node.js, or if you are creating API in Python, like this you can test guys, you will get the output same, the testing process will be the same guys. Okay, and even soon I'm bringing, as I told you, Swagger API, where the documentation will be there guys, and which is very easy guys. So and you will feel very interesting that. Okay, so I'll request you guys, just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel. Okay, just connect with me, uh, or subscribe guys in short. Okay, so I hope guys you got how we can test the API in Postman, and which is very easy guys. If you don't know also now, you will understand very easily, and whatever the steps I told, just follow that. Okay, so here how what we have done guys, we have not taken REST APIs in third party APIs. This is our APIs only. By using our API only, we have tested the application. Okay, so if you are liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting.